Here's an updated look at the Beechcraft Hawker 400 XPR as of mid-2025, reflecting status into 2026. By 2026, the Hawker 400 XPR remains a factory-supported upgrade of the original Hawker 400 XP Beechjet 400A, but no further enhancements or major updates have been announced beyond what was already established. The upgrade package, first announced in 2010 and fully certified by the FAA in 2016, continues to offer improved climb and range performance, modern avionics options, and Textron support infrastructure. The aircraft retains its transformative features: Williams International FJ44-4A32 turbofans replacing the original Pratt & Whitney JT15D engines, delivering about 3,200 pounds of flat-rated thrust each, enabling a climb directly to Florida 450 in approximately 19 minutes and extending range by roughly 33%. With 4 passengers, the range reaches nearly 1,970 nanometers under optimal conditions such as takeoff from a 5,000-foot altitude at 30 degrees Celsius. Aerodynamic enhancements include factory-certified Hawker winglets, contributing 3 to 7% increased range, reduced stall speeds, improved high-altitude stability, and better fuel economy. Avionics packages remain optional. Customers can choose the Rockwell Collins Pro Line 21 suite, as first installed in 2012, or the Garmin G5000 system, which became available later and offers modern touchscreen displays, synthetic vision, advanced autopilot, ADS-B, LPV approaches, TCAS, and other features. That upgrade became available around 2015-2021. As of mid-2025 and looking ahead to 2026, Textron Aviation continues to support the upgrade program through its global network of factory-owned service centers and genuine factory parts distribution, along with engine warranties and service contracts. There are no indications of a new variant, further re-engining efforts, new production airframes, or additional certified performance enhancements planned for the 400 XPR beyond its original scope. End users in 2026 can expect continued accessibility to the full upgrade or standalone factory-completed 400 XPR jets, with turnaround times of approximately 12 weeks when performed at authorized Textron service centers. The program's longevity persists thanks to its OEM-backed support approach and the fact that owners can upgrade in stages: interior, avionics, engines, while preserving resale value and performance longevity. In summary, by 2026 the Hawker 400 XPR remains the definitive factory-engineered upgrade of the legacy 400 XP, offering established performance gains and avionics flexibility, and fully backed by Textron support. There have been no new enhancements announced since FAA certification of the XPR package in 2016 or the later introduction of Garmin G5000 avionics. If you're looking for comparisons to newer jets or market dynamics beyond 2026, I can help with that too.